How to use ClickUp Brain. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start using ClickUp Brain. So as you can see, Brain is a new feature on ClickUp. And as you can see, Brain is a new feature in ClickUp and it's very useful because we can use that for our research or help us to complete our tasks and so on. So first you can go to your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your left side and you will see Brain here. You can click it. You can connect the apps to your Brain ClickUp. You can just click connect and you can connect to Box, Confluence, Dropbox, GitHub, Slack, and others. And it will help you to manage all your tasks. And as you can see, there is some suggested features you can use. So I have reviewed the script task. I can ask the AI to update it to complete. Let's try it. And let's see, it's thinking, as you can see. So without you change the status, you can just ask the brain to do it for you. It's very, very easy. So it's basically like ChatGPT, the template, the layout. It's like ChatGPT. You can choose the model. So I'm using ClickUp Brain for now, and I'm gonna add new chat like this. And then as you can see, you can choose the brain, I mean the model. So there is ClickUp Brain, it's using GPT 4.1. So you can choose other models like GPT 5.1 and you can also choose Cloud, Sonnet and others. So let's try Cloud Sonnet. You can explore it and you can do whatever you want. So you don't need to go to other apps or ChatGPT or Cloud because you can use the AI to do your job or task within the ClickUp website. It's gonna be very easy. It's gonna be very helpful because it's very efficient. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.